Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into the exciting world of formulas and functions in Google Sheets. Don't worry, if you are new to Google Sheets, we will start with the basics and gradually explore more advanced concepts. Formulas are like magical instructions that tell Google Sheets what to do with the data in our cells. I believe we all know formulas. They allow us to perform calculations, manipulate texts, and make decisions based on certain conditions, right? To create any formula in a spreadsheet or in Google Sheets, the exact place you want the answer to appear, you will start with an equal sign. Every formula, you will start with an equal sign. Then we have these operators. We have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have division. And then with the help of these, you can be able to perform your arithmetic operations. But what makes formulas truly powerful is the use of cell references. Instead of typing numbers directly into the formula, we can refer to the values in other cells. For example, let's say we are going to do something here, right? We want to add 10. Let's say we want to multiply 10 by 0.5 and we want the answer here. Bought 10 apples, each apple cost 0.5 cents. How much in total is it? Bought 12 oranges, each orange costs 0.4. How much is it? 2 grapes, each cost 2. How much? Strawberry, 1 watermelon. So how do we do it? Here we will bring the equal sign. Here we will bring the equal sign right here. And then we will click on the cell. You can choose to enter the value, it is 10, and then multiply sign by 0.5. Enter. We got 5. Over here also, we can choose to enter 8. No, start with the equal sign. 8, and then multiply by 0.3. And then we got 2.4. But this is going to take a long time, right? Why not find it easier by using referencing? So you start is equal to, what is a reference? What do you want to multiply? We want to multiply this cell, which is B2, and then you introduce your sign by C2. You hit enter, you get 5. And then 8 by 0.3 is equal to, right, B3. You hit it, and then multiply sign. You click on C3, enter. 2.4. This is how we do it. You can also do it for addition. If you want 5 plus 2.4, somewhere here you go equal to, you click on the cell where 5 is, and then you want to use addition plus, you click on where 2.4 is. You want to add some more plus, maybe you want to add 2 to it. Anywhere, you hit enter, and then you get 9.4. While we added 5 plus 2.4 plus 2. You can do your operations that way. Great. When we do it this way, it makes it faster for us, right? Let's look at functions. Formula is where you are manually entering and then manually using the addition, subtraction, multiplication. You are manually using all these, right? So let's look at functions. Now let's take our formulas to the next level with functions. Functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations or operations. They save us time and make complex calculations a breeze. One of the most commonly used functions is sum. And sum allows us to add up a range of values. For example, if we want to say add, let me try something here. Let's say we want 8, 1. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Okay, let's see how sum will do this for us. So you start with is equal to, and then you hit sum, S-U-M, you open bracket, and then you select the cells, the range. You click on it, and then you stretch, right? And you hit enter. It says it's 17. We are right. 8 plus 8 plus 1 is 17. So imagine you want to sum the unit price for all of this. What do? You just come here and you hit equal to, right? And then equal to, and then you select, let's do for this one, let's say equal to sum C2 C49, right? It gives us 75.9. Same for average. You want the average of a certain number of figures. We want average for 1, 2, 3. What will be the average? Is equal to average. It will pop up here. We click on it. And then we select. We want the average. You want the average for this, or you want the average for here, or you want an average for a certain column instead. We just want average for this one. And then you hit enter. It gives you is 2. Great. So we also can do for minimum and maximum functions. How do you find the minimum function of this? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the minimum? You go equal to min, open bracket, or it pops up here for us. And it's asking you, do you want it from F33 to F37? That is the range, yes. We can manually also select it. Yes, F34 to F37. Yes, it's 1. That's the minimum number. If we want the maximum, obviously maximum is 3. So we can see is equal to max. You open your bracket. Well, it pops up here for you. You select it. We want maximum. It should be 3. Enter. Yes, it's 3. Great. Now let's go to something we call AutoFill. This will help us even make our calculations faster. To make our calculations faster, we have a handy tool called AutoFill. With AutoFill, we can copy formulas and functions to adjacent cells, saving us from manually typing them over and over again. So for instance, right here, you remember 10 times 0.55, 8 times 0.3, 2.4, 12 times, then we have is equal to this times this. We click this, we look for the multiplication right here, and then we click on this one, and then we hit enter. With AutoFill, we are not going to do it that way again. We can simply click and drag the small blue square right here, right? Right here at the corner of the cell, and Google Sheet will automatically fill the formula in the cells below. No more repetitive typing. Wherever you can have it here. When you click, it is going to fill up for you. We are not going to manually enter it anymore. Great. So you can see 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. This is all about AutoFill. Right? So AutoFill works not only with formulas, but also with functions. Okay, when you do, AutoFill can do a number of things. Let's look at something. Let's say week 1, week 2, I don't want to continue like that. I can just come here, find AutoFill, right? Drag. You see, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is able to determine what I'm trying to do. I can do it for a number of things. Let's say I want to start the days of the week from Sunday, Monday. I don't have to continue Tuesday. I can use AutoFill. I come here, it turns into this cross sign. I drag it. You see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Great. Congratulations on mastering the basics of formulas and functions. We learned about basic formulas and cell references, explored useful functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, and discovered the magic of AutoFill for quick calculations. Now it's time for you to practice and explore the endless possibilities of formulas and functions. I will advise you try creating your own calculations, experiment with different functions, and see how formulas can transform your data. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Google Sheets tutorials. And if you have any questions or want me to share your formulas and functions, leave a comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.